This morning, I received a call from a parent asking me, Teacher, what you've talked about these 2 days, is it easy to implement? I smiled and I told her, No, nothing is easy to implement. It really is a struggle to teach your child how to focus. When you tell your child no looking around, no talking, no stopping, he won't be able to do it right away. What will happen is it will gradually decrease until it stops. You will notice suddenly your child is not getting up from the chair to get something. Your child will not ask for water. Your child will not stop while doing the homework. But all this happens over time. You need to do it consistently every day until it becomes a habit. I challenge you to try it for the next 30 days and see what difference it will make in your child's life. Follow me for more tips